Kai, why you wanna carry this cow come dey enter my farm like this? Eh? You know, see, okay, see this. You know, say na yam we plant here. Eh? See the leg. Na yam dey inside here. Kai haba, zomana. Eh? Okay, this leaf. See. This is a vegetable. Eh? Why you wanna carry the worker here? Hey, hey. You dey craze? Call your brother. Call that your brother. Hey, this is what I do. How you breathe on an eye? Eh? Look at it. Then no the leaf. Then no go go in na kulaba. Na eji kulaba ke fi no na atasi. Eh? Ma this in Calafia. My potato. So you, I dey call you, they run. So you know we say sorry. Why I know will snap you? Eh? So you know if you say sorry. Why you go carry my?
Why you go snap me now like this?
Eh?
Why they snap
so,
me?
So you know if you say sorry.
So I say sorry. Why you go snap me now?
I hear I say you beg. But your brother.
So why you go snap me? I know that can now.
You don't know me.
If I know
you don't know me for that place. Eh?
Why they snap me like this now? I go run for you. No. Talk about that back. If you snap me like this, I go.
I know the fact. Wait. Why you
come on there, back. I won't give you the phone. I go pick up you like this. Thunder fire you.
Give me my phone.
Come on there, back. I'm not going to give you
my phone.
I don't give you.
Huh?
I got pick up you.
Eh? You can't have this.
Yes, now. Thunder fire your mother.
No, give me my phone.
Thunder fire your mother. I'm not going to give you.
No phone.
Come on there, back. What is it happening? The family. Mind yourself, mind yourself. Thunder fire in your face. Me I go pick cut your neck.
Okay, you want?
Thunder fire your mother. What is snapping now? What is snapping? And you don't know me? Yeah? You don't know me? What is it? Mind yourself, mind yourself.
You say sorry. So you don't go say sorry.
Thunder fire your mother.
So you don't go say sorry for me.
See, one day I go take kill for this number. Thunder fire your mother. I don't give you the phone. This is why I go do. Go and do it. Me I go pick kill you now.
I know
the case. It's the case. What happened to mistake now? Eh? Now my cow jam. If you not get it, make a pay him. How much is the money for this thing now? Me, eh? See, if you don't know me, if you because of me, sir, I no go. I go pocket you.
I know. That's why I don't want.
Thunder fire you.
You say sorry for
if you not come out there, I go just kill you now. What didn't happen now? Eh? If you not get it, make a beggar. If you not get it, I go pay the money now. Huh? No be mistake what I do. Everybody no mistake now. Why they snapping me like this now? If you this papa, eh? You don't know me. Me, I don't like this country. Why they snapping me? I don't know what you had to do. Yeah, brother. Me say I know. You know me. I see my cow to buy him for, eh? If I beg and say you no agree, I go pay, make a pay, say how much I go pay. If you no agree, not be work. Now work. Me say I'm now my work now. What is snapping me like this? What is the carry pigeon do? I no go give her. I see the pigeon first. I go be reporting you for police now. Yes now.
For police?
Now. Why the snap is just like that? Just like that. You come snap me. What you go use the picture? Eh? You don't know what they do? Mind yourself, oh. Mind yourself, oh. Ha. See him. See the cow. What you go use the cow, eh?
Are you cow?
Yeah, man. With my cow, with you. Make you know
Una bring complaint.
Talk
Say,
about
make
the
we
abeg.
snap and come. Na this go brother come. Make we snap and come show them. Where the fowl stop.
Hey, you go tell me before. See.
That's not. Are you the
Talk about the abeg. You don't snap me with my car with my brother now. What you going the picture do?
Where I dey snap.
Yeah, no.
Your brother come yesterday. Your people come yesterday.
Who's your people?
Say make we snap.
Now only my cow dead there. Now only my cow, but he don't see me. He tell me say make he no gree. My cow don't spoil your farm. So me and you go talk. Eh? Not be like that.
Okay. What you want me to do?
Why they do snapping me like this now? I don't like her now. You know me very well. If in a night you see me, you know me. Me sef, if I see you for night, sef, you go know me now. I know you.
As you know me and I know you, now you dey holler for me like this.
Why now? Why not the highlight for you? Why they snapping me now?
You complain something for me. I help you find. Then you come here, come to make noise for me. Where I take you as Duka Dayani. So you come here.
You can don't fire you with the Duka Dayani now.
They cost me like this.
Yes, now don't fire your mother with your father. You the crazy? I be the mad. Kutiri to nara ya fewa galla wani me dai wai fijo wai ga. Rarfa. 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 Mi awa haito mi itti.